Evening. First of all, I request all of you to write down the name of one website called inderscience.com. So, can you see this? Can you see this? So, first of all, write down the name of one website. If you have pen and pad with you, and even if you don't have pen and pad with you, not an issue. Remember the name of the website inderscience.com. www dot inder INDER inderscience.com. So dear participants, once again I am repeating you INDERSCIENCE.com, inderscience.com. The moment after my lecture, please go to the Google and type Inderscience in Google search. Find out Inderscience is a publishing company. It's a limited company. It's a listed company. But what they do have tie-up with all Emerald journals. They do have tie-up with a lot of other journals. So reviewers, editors, journals, all are member and they are the registered people of this publishing house. Now look at the beauty of this website. You can browse journals subject wise. So whichever area you are having your expertise, you can visit this website and type your subject area. So you can um, categorize the journals according to your subject area. But first of all, you have to register in this website. So first of all, create your login ID and password. Once you will create your login ID and password in InderScience, you would be able to browse lakhs of journals online in this website. Computer science, engineering, or whatever field you are dealing with, commerce, management, sports. So they have solution for almost all area of research. Now, what service they do provide to you? Suppose there is one journal in the area of engineering, so they have a different format for that journal publication. Suppose an engineer wants to publish a research paper, then there is a different format. Suppose social science researcher, maybe in commerce, management, accountancy, economics, wants to publish a research paper, then there is a different format. And believe me, participants, only world class journals which are highly reputed globally are available in this website. No C grade or B grade journals are available in this website. So it's a one stop solution for all your needs. Once you will create your login ID and password after registration in this website, go and browse it. The second beauty of this website is that the moment you will register, the website will pop up the cutting research topics in front of you where you can submit research papers. So yesterday we have discussed how to come up with a title. So this particular website will provide you theme and sub theme. So it's easy for you to decide the cutting edge topic using this website. Now, when you will select your area of interest, when you will select a journal, then they will give you a sample research paper. They will give you a sample abstract. So refer it, and accordingly in that format of sample research paper, you can prepare your research paper and then you can submit your research paper to this journal. And the beauty of this journal is that you have to suggest reviewers name yourself, but the reviewers should not be from India. If you are an Indian author, you cannot recommend Indian or other authors as the reviewer of your research papers. For that, you have to give three names from foreign countries whom who are ready to evaluate your paper or who are ready to review your paper. So once you will give the names of the people from abroad, there is a chance that they are unbiased and they will do blind review of your research papers. So while submitting research papers, they will obtain your name as author, but your name will not go to the review panel. So the reviewer are going to do the blind review for your research paper. So the process is very transparent. They do not take any money from you, but the review is positive, then and then only they are going to publish your research papers. Otherwise they will not publish your research paper. So this is one website which we have seen. Again, I am repeating the name: INDERSCIENCE, inderscience.com. After completion of my lecture today, you are supposed to browse this website in Google search. So this is the first thing which I would like to tell you. Now, second thing, from last 2 days I am discussing something about iWay publication. So iWay Publishing is also a company, and iWay Business School is there in US. So if you want to write down conceptual and case study based research papers, then iWay is one of the best solution for you. So write down the name of the company: IVEY Publishing. You have to enter this text in Google search: IVEY Publishing. So iWay Publishing. Now, let me tell you the opportunities available to you. One of my friend who is working with IIM Bangalore, he is a professor in data science, Dr. U. Dinesh Kumar. So what he has done, he has written a lot of case studies in Harvard Publishing and iWay Publishing. Now, after publishing those case study, what he is doing? Those case studies are available with him, and he is organizing faculty development program and management development program. And do you know the participation fee for one FDP of U Dinesh Kumar from IIM Bangalore? He is charging for faculty development program 1,25,000 rupees, and he wrote almost all the case studies in the area of machine learning, decision science, data analytics. This is his area of expertise. Now, as his case studies are published by Harvard and iWay, he is able to attract audience from even foreign countries, those who are very rich in nature, those who are doing cutting edge research, and those who are from industry. He is able to get them as a participant in MDB. For MDP, he is charging almost 2 lakhs rupees per participants, and he is organizing 1 week FDP and 1 week MDP. Can you believe 100 participants are participating in his 1 week program, and he is generating just 2 to 3 crore rupees in 1 week period, because he has invested almost 5 to 6 years in developing those 10 wonderful case studies on machine learning. So this is something called academic rigor, which we are supposed to generate. So if you get a chance, even you have to register yourself, and you have to create your login ID and password in iWay Publishing as well as Harvard Publishing House. So I have given 3 websites name today to all of you. The first one is inderscience.com, the second one is iwaypublishing.com, and third one is Harvard Publishing. So if you are able to publish your quality research papers, whether it is case study, research article, conceptual papers may be based on secondary or primary data, doesn't matter. But if you can publish with them, and after that if you will organize FDP, MDP, and if you will become a consultant for the industry, then there is a huge scope for you, even in academics as well as in industry. So my sincere request to all of you is to remember those 3 names. Now, yesterday a lot of participants were asking questions to me. The name of the association. So when you talk about engineering field, Indian Society for Technical Education, ISTE. So type ISTE or Indian Society for Technical Education in your Google search. So you will get the event details, conference details, journal details, what to publish, how to publish, when to publish. All sorts of informations are available in the websites of ISTE. So once you will become registered member of this society, or they do offer 2 types of membership. You can become yearly member. you can become 3-year member, and you can become lifetime member. So it's always better to become a life member, because you are passionate about research and you are going to spend your whole life in research. Then in the area of management, Association of Indian Management Schools, IMA, it is known as AIMS, AIMS. Then Indian Commerce Association, Indian Accounting Association, Computing Research Association. Then in the field of medical, Indian Council of Medical Research. In the field of agriculture, Agricultural Economics Research Association, English Language Teachers Association of India, then Indian Economic Development and Research Association, Global Entrepreneurship Research Association. In short and in nutshell, type area name in Google plus research association word in Google, and you would be able to get the detail about the research association. Now, what are the advantage of becoming a member in any research associations? Number one, you would be able to make networking with the top-notch people of the country, and you would be able to get mentoring from senior people. Every year, a lot of events will come to you. They will send you a journal copy. They will appoint you on a reviewer panel. Then they will invite you as a session chair, as a keynote speaker in national and international level conference. And lot of advantages you would be able to avail if you will become member of this kind of research association. So networking is the first key or the first benefit which you can avail after becoming member of such agencies. Second thing is that they do offer chapterization. It means a mini version of this association, which is known as chapter, can be started in your own institution. So once you will establish a chapter or a small portion of this association in your institute, you can involve your students, your colleague, your director, your management into the research process. And the chapter will be highly benefited to your institute in creating brand, in creating fame, and for any kind of NAC accreditation or NBA accreditation, these chapters are going to be very crucial and very meaningful for you. Then, so two things I have spoken to you already: the name of three websites, various research associations. Now, I would like to come back to one more topic, which is essential requisites of good research paper. So there are some points which you should remember forever and ever in the field of research. Layout of the paper should be meticulously planned. Information flow in your research paper should be sequential in order. For example, first introduction, then literature review, then methodology, then data analysis, then discussions, then conclusion, and then bibliography. This order should be followed in your research paper, and there should be necessary linkage between all these order. Size of the paper, yesterday also I told you that it should be very reasonable. It should not be like 30-page paper is very good and 10-page paper is not so good. It's not like that. Then minimum care should be taken by you as far as grammatical errors are concerned. Write down the name of one more software called grammarly.com. So if you are downloading it for first 15 days, they will give you free access. But after 15 days, you will have to buy it. One of my PhD scholar, she was doing PhD from RK University, Rajkot, and they were having this Grammarly.com software. So the first requirement for PhD Viva was that, okay, your thesis should be checked using Grammarly.com software, and if that software is showing some grammatical mistakes, then it has to be corrected, and the software will produce a final result that the thesis is completely grammatical error free. And after that, they were ready to organize Viva. So you won't believe 3 to 4 times we have done grammar check of the entire thesis. So Grammarly.com, Go to that website, buy this software if possible, use it regularly.